subscriber, thank you so much for your loyalty with coming back and joining me. And if you are new, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell, so every Tuesday you are receiving notification when our entrepreneur lifestyle videos are being uploaded. Boom. So today's topic is manifesting your gifts. I'm so excited with knowing that manifesting the things that I want, as far as just pushing myself, getting myself in position, allowing the universe to get me to what is for me. I'm not letting nobody, nothing stop me. Guys, for me, I know that I want my YouTube channel to grow tremendously. I'm at 73,000 views, guys. I was at 73,000 views just 10 days ago. I am at 74,000 views 10 days later. This is February of 2020. When I tell you guys that I know that I will reach my goal even before my birthday, because that's how much I am manifesting it. Because I literally feel like we're all here for a purpose. And if you don't know what your purpose is, just think about the thing that you do the most with the least amount of effort. Like, what do you do the most with the least amount of effort that makes you calm, but also allows you to feel whole, or to feel like you're like, I feel like we all have a gift, and it's up to you to pull that inner beast out, right? It's up to you. So when you think about being positive, and when you gifts, when you think about everything that's around you, everything around us has started with an imagination. Okay, so think about the chairs that we sit in, think about the cameras, they were used to film. Everything started with an idea, right? So if you have an idea, act on it. Because time pauses for nobody, please be sure that you're acting on that intuition. So if you keep on telling yourself, man, I need to start this business, man, I need to start this business, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go start researching on how you want to start that business. Start journaling on how you want to start that business. Talk about the things that you want to do with the business. Talk about the business name. You know, go and get your LLC. I mean, you don't even have to do that right away, but you know, steps to make sure that you are setting yourself up for success. If you are not happy when the alarm clock goes off, that means that a change needs to happen. And the only way a change is going to happen is starting with yourself. So if you think about it like, oh, all these things keep happening to me, why me, why me? If you're thinking about it like that, then the world is going to go that way for you. You're going to get more of that. Think about when you're happy, or think about when you're laughing and then somebody else will laugh too, or you know, that energy that impacts when someone claps, you know, starting this way. You'll hear other people start clapping. I mean, that's a perfect example of how the energy transfers, okay? So with saying this, when you have that instinct within your gut, within your intuition, and it's telling you to act on something or to do something, then and it's for your higher good, please ensure to do so. And that's with keeping that positive mindset. That's with, you know, going forth everything within your power that you're wanting, and that's what's going to make you happy. So if you feel that you're mostly alive when you're doing something that makes you happy, start thinking of things that you can do surrounding that idea that makes you happy, because you want more happiness. If you keep on keeping yourself into a miserable or a sad situation, then that's what you're going to continue to keep around you, around the people that you're bringing around. That, like, misery loves company, right? So if you're sitting around and you're being miserable, you're noticing that you're attracting the same type of energy of miserable people who are sharing their same issues. Now, I'm not saying that it's not okay to vent to your friends or anything like that, but what I am saying is the energy that you want is what you have to go after. So if you are wanting to attract more positive people, more positive situations, if you want to feel more happy, these are the small things of changes that starts with you. You have to go ahead and make that change. You're able to make millions. You are able to make millions with your passion. You will go hard for your own dream. You ain't gonna go hard for nobody else. You ain't gonna go hard for no other company. But I bet you'll go hard for something that's yours. Are you not, sis? Are you not, bro? Make sure that you are being positive today. Make sure that you are pushing towards everything that's within your power. If you're deciding that you want to start that business, boo. don't you even stop. Like, start that business. If you're deciding that you want to make sure that you have a good day, take your kids out, you know, make sure that your energy is so high today that nobody is going to stop the energy that you have flowing. And I promise you that your day is going to be the bomb, because you've seen my face.